You. And everything belonging to another is devalued. Like, for example, whatever you have, oh, that's not nice. Mine is better. You know, that's narcissistic. We have hypochondriasis. We have two types of malignant narcissism, and that is hypochondriasis. What is a hypochondria?
Low.
Ano ang hypochondria?
Obsessive attention to oneself.
By the way, these are words that we need to remember.
Hypo, low.
Hypo is hypochondriasis. Is an over ano sa imong self wala sa body mo.
Obsess.
Like
Obsess
for example, uy, lain mag-shampoo, sakit ulo ko, sakit ang ko. Sakit
Overthinker.
biyan ko, sakit biyan ko kasi may appendicitis ko. You know, you tend to overreact to certain, that's hypochondria. And the hypochondria basically tends to be more concerned, obsessed about body, the self, the hypochondriasis.
Yung masakit lang ulo tapos isip may concern agad sila. Yun ang hypochondria.
Also to one's health. Okay, na pag ano lang na, may anything na batid-batid siya.
Tapos sila yung tipo ng tao na kapag sumakit ang tagiliran, meron na agad appendicitis.
Yun ang sabi sa akin.
Pero kung
Hindi
sobra
ako hindi ako nag-self-diagnose.
Mahirapan lang huminga, may sakit agad sa puso. Kahit wala naman. Like for example, wala silang history background about sa family related na sakit sa puso. Tapos isipin agad nila na without any prior diagnosis.
It's over concern about self, and even about health. You know, in particular, hypochondriasis, and they would even create, like for example, if someone has been diagnosed with this and that, maano siya, mga ay kasi kami mo mga sakit, mga ano na ba? Now, there was
Yun din.
a little boy.
For example, nakapag-diagnose yung tao. Tapos,
Imagine the parents
ang tawag doon.
had to
Doon nalaman
kay
niya.
kundi ang barkada sa parents.
Better pa ba dalawa?
May napatay na bata, naka-age naman. About, the boy was 6-7 years old.
Lipis lang
because
para hindi
of
siya
brain
matakbo.
tumor.
Okay.
Okay, ginala to galing sa Lumananda, sa America for the brain surgery, pero wala din ang bata, wala din na save ang bata. And so, this little boy, napatian niya the family talks about it and all. Imagine you would say, ay, masakit ka tama. In the scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest, pila? 10. And so the parents brought the boy to the hospital for MRI scan. Wala man, no problem. When the little boy was also about 9 years old, he again complained of having, ay may ara ko, ang akong heart. No, there's a problem with my heart. No, sakit akong heart. No. So, ginalaman sa doctor, ginalaman pa check up man. Wala man sakit, okay lang. So, all of this, no, the boy has developed some kind of hypochondriasis, no, overthinking about himself, no, and this particular health. Pero thus far naman, as the boy progress, nagkakaroon ko siya, wala talaga. Now, and then another one is moral hypochondriasis. A preoccupation of big guilt about previous transgression. So, nakahigog sa sangsala. So, brother ang niya, among ko silang hambal ko sa inyo na there was a certain woman na na-rape siya. And then what she did was to clean her body for more than one day, to wash herself because she felt
Dirty.
so dirty and guilty about it. some people who are like that too, no, they